Hi, today's topic is compound interest and what we can learn from the compound interest for our self development. Compound interest is one of the most important concepts to understand when managing your finances. It can help you earn a higher return on your savings and investment. Compounding is a process of growing. If you are familiar with the snowball effect, you already know how something can build upon itself. Compound interest is interest earned on money that was previously earned as interest. This cycle leads to increasing interest and account balances at an increasing rate, sometimes known as exponential growth. Now, how does it work? To understand compound interest, first start with the concept of simple interest. You deposit money and the bank pays you interest on your deposit. For example, if you earn a 5% annual interest, a deposit of 10,000 would gain you 500 after a year. What happens the following year? That's where the compounding comes in. You will earn interest on your initial deposit and you will earn interest on the interest you just earned. Therefore, the interest you earn the second year will be more than the year before because your account balance is now 10,500, not 10,000. So even though you didn't make any deposits, your earnings will accelerate. On first year, your initial deposit was 10,000 and earned 5% interest, bringing your balance to 10,500. On second year, your balance is 10,500 and you earn 5% interest, so your balance is now 11,025. This way your earning will accelerate every year. What we can learn from compound interest for self development? Compound is one of the best ways to improve anything. When we apply the compound effect in our life, it can go both ways. Either we will be moving forwards in life or backward. The power of compounding can be applied to reading a book, eating healthy, working out, getting up early, using a system to get things done, and changing many areas of your life. The result are depends on the action we take every day. Performing simple daily actions and commitments each and every day to get a little bit closer to what we want. Daily actions, both positive and negative, create a cumulative effect. Thank you.